2024 Premier Sunsation 210 RF. Color scheme on this tune, we have midnight panels with black rails. We have black bimini on there, bimini frame and boot and canvas, all black. You have your ski tow bar on the back. We also have the Yamaha 115 on the back, paired with a nice ladder, battery switch on the back, and a nice silver Chromax or decal Premier with the Premier logo next to it as well. So let's go ahead and jump on in and take a look at the interior of this 2024 Premier Sunsation 210 RF. Here we are in the interior of the 2024 Premier Sunsation 210 RF. So RF standing for rear facing. So we are at the rear right now. So we're talking these seats here are rear facing. So while we're here in the back, we'll go through ski tow bar for anything that you're looking to tow behind the boat. We have a 115 Yamaha on this particular boat. And then this one, we have the ladder on the back. Nice little strapped up there. Keep it stowed away for now. But while we're back here, nice little hang area in the back. Cup holders on both sides. So plenty of places for drinks while you're hanging out on the back, whether you're swapping a tube out or getting everybody out of the water. Battery switch here at the back. So I do like that, whether you need to trim the motor, say you're not in the boat, you can just hit the battery switch there without jumping in the boat. So, all right, let's walk on in. You do have your swing door on the back. Just lift up, and then it stows away right there in the ground. But under every single seat, as I'm sure you can imagine, with this being a pontoon, you'll have storage under every single seat. So just like that throughout the entire boat. So the color scheme on this, we do have the sandstone. So it's a two-tone brown interior, and I think paired with the, what am I saying? Driftwood, the driftwood flooring. Just a lot of brown tones to this boat, and I think it's paired really well with the black exterior on this thing. So real quick audio, we have Clarion all throughout the boat. So we have four speakers, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. So 2 up front, and you have your Clarion head unit here at the helm. So Bluetooth, AM, FM, all that stuff. And before we leave the back, we'll go through the bimini. So we do have a actuated bimini that comes standard on this boat. So I think it's a really nice feature to have, where all you have to do is just hit a button up or down, and the bimini does the rest. So all that magic is right in here. All right, so moving forward, we got the helm captain's chairs. So if you notice, the helm seat on this boat and all Premiers, it is elevated. So captain's first helm design. So really this is for visibility. So while you're driving, you have perfect visibility out on the water, and to backpack on that, you also have your transparent door. So this is a super cool feature, because I know my dad has a pontoon and I'm always hitting things because I can't see what's ahead of me. And so with this door, it gives you some vision through the door. So just in case you have the door closed for safety reasons, you're not forfeiting any of your visibility. Same story throughout, storage, every seat. We got our fenders. I got my shoes in there. Under the helm, fire extinguisher for worst case. You got table, life jackets, throwable, dock lines, everything to get you legal right out the gate. So while we're here at the helm, let's jump on in. Actually, let's just get a good look at that seat. So you see that two-tone brown, really sharp on this. And obviously we have the fiberglass helm to match that sandstone color. So just to show you, I mean, I love how quiet these pontoons are. So engine's on, you got your depth right over here, we're at 9.7. Fuel, volts, RPMs, your trim gauge. Pretty simple dash here. Love the steering wheel, just simple, looks nice. And obviously the black matches well with the exterior. Couple switches here, docking lights, courtesy lights, nav lights, anchor lights, and then this will be your bimini switch. So top up, top down, self-explanatory there. Got your horn, that works. Throttle here, trim up, trim down. So you can see as I'm trimming, it'll reflect on the trim gauge. And then you have some charging ports here as well, should you need to charge anything up. And then should you need to charge yourself up with beverages, we got a couple cup holders here. So, all right. Jump up to the front, just show you a couple more storage areas. Why not? I have the whole cover in this seat here. You have cup holders in every seating location. So you have 2 cup holders here, 2 cup holders over there, and then same story in the back. Cup holders, cup holders. But I think that's enough of the interior here on the 210 Sunsation RF. Let's go ahead and show you some running footage.
Give us a call for more info on this Premier or the entire Premier line. 317-845-9253.